The FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook is a comprehensive guide to vegan cooking that offers a wide variety of plant-based recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. The cookbook aims to provide individuals with a range of healthy and delicious vegan recipes that are easy to prepare and suitable for all dietary preferences. The purpose of this review is to examine the benefits and drawbacks of the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook and evaluate its effectiveness in promoting a plant-based diet. Benefits of the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. One of the main benefits of the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook is that it provides individuals with a wide range of healthy and delicious vegan recipes. Many people are interested in a plant-based diet for health reasons, but often unsure how to prepare tasty and satisfying meals without meat and dairy. The cookbook offers a variety of recipes that are flavorful and easy to make, which can help individuals transition to a plant-based diet more easily. Another benefit of the cookbook is that it promotes health and wellness by encouraging individuals to eat a plant-based diet. Research has shown that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By providing individuals with a variety of healthy and nutritious vegan recipes, the cookbook can help them improve their health and prevent these diseases. The FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook also promotes sustainability and environmental awareness. By encouraging individuals to eat a plant-based diet, the cookbook can help reduce the environmental impact of animal agriculture. Additionally, many of the recipes in the cookbook use locally sourced and seasonal ingredients, which can further reduce the carbon footprint of the food we consume. Drawbacks of the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. One potential drawback of the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook is that it may not be suitable for all dietary preferences or restrictions. While the cookbook offers a wide variety of vegan recipes, some individuals may have other dietary restrictions or allergies that prevent them from consuming certain ingredients. Additionally, some individuals may find it difficult to follow a vegan diet due to cultural or personal reasons. Another potential drawback of the cookbook is that it may require some level of effort and commitment to prepare the recipes. While the cookbook offers easy-to-follow instructions and ingredients, some individuals may not have the time or energy to prepare elaborate vegan meals regularly. This could limit the appeal of the cookbook for busy individuals or those with limited cooking experience. Effectiveness of the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. Overall, the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook is an effective tool for promoting a plant-based diet and improving health and wellness. The cookbook offers a wide variety of healthy and delicious vegan recipes suitable for all dietary preferences. The cookbook promotes sustainability and environmental awareness by encouraging individuals to eat a plant-based diet and by using locally sourced and seasonal ingredients. In terms of its effectiveness in promoting a plant-based diet, the FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook has been well received by users. Many individuals have reported success in following the recipes and transitioning to a plant-based diet. The cookbook has also been praised for its easy-to-follow instructions and variety of recipes, which can help individuals maintain a healthy and satisfying vegan diet. The FitLife/Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook is a comprehensive guide to vegan cooking that offers a wide variety of plant-based recipes suitable for all dietary preferences. The cookbook promotes health and wellness by encouraging individuals to eat a plant-based diet and by providing healthy and nutritious vegan recipes. Additionally, the cookbook promotes sustainability and environmental awareness by using locally sourced and seasonal ingredients. While the cookbook may not be suitable for all dietary preferences or restrictions, it has proven to be an effective tool.